This is the first of its kind, fully furnished 24/7 power, 24/7 water, terrace duplex right here in Independence Layout Phase 2 in Enugu State, Nigeria. This is beautiful. Right here is the visitor's toilet. So these are 4-bedroom terrace duplexes right here in the Independence Layout Phase 2 for sale. And you can see it's furnished. Aside from the chair, the TV, the ACs, the inverters, washing machine, water dispenser, they are all complimentary. They come with the house. This is beautiful. There's a room here. This is room number 1. It's spacious. It comes in suites. All the rooms are in suites. If you were ever thinking of doing an Airbnb or a shortlet, or you want to buy for your own self, you want to buy where you can live, this is quite affordable for Independence Layout Phase 2. See all the equipment it comes with. All these are for you. That's an inverter with about 8 batteries. So you have enough power. There's a kitchen here, quite spacey as well, with the slabs, beautiful slab. Comes with a gas cooker. Look at that, a 4-burner gas cooker with an oven. It comes with the fridge as well. So all you have to do is pay, bring your bag, and move in. And this is just 35 million naira. Let's go upstairs. See, upstairs there are 3 rooms. There are 3 rooms upstairs, including the master bedroom. So the left room here is one other room. This room number 2, quite spacey, with a chair, side lamps, all in suites, has a toilet and bedroom. If you are looking to do a shortlet in Enugu, or you want to do an Airbnb business is picking up in Enugu. If this is what you want to do, this is a beautiful place for you. Come buy a couple of units here. You can see they are beautifully done. Or you're looking for a house you want to buy in Enugu, this 35 million naira for all of these awesomeness. There are 3 rooms upstairs, 1 room downstairs, parlor, kitchen, and you move in. Now this is the master bedroom. You can see it has a balcony that opens up to the compound. You can see there's space actually in this compound. This is the master bedroom. See, it's spacious, it's bigger, obviously. So this room comes with an AC as well. That's the AC there. Beautiful compound, actually well done. Call me now. Call me on 080967376668 so that we can bring you here so you can secure your own place too. There's water here, there's security, 24/7 power, compound space. Call me now on 080967376668.